The fight over changing Alabama's congressional districts isn't over yet. A three-judge panel now working toward a final decision after a hearing earlier today. WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn live and local outside the Hugo Black Courthouse with more on the all-important district map. Aaron.
Yeah, Guy, earlier today, the three-judge panel did not make a decision on this case, but the plaintiffs say that they are expecting one next week. But one thing is clear, without a doubt, both parties say that this case is headed back to the Supreme Court. The legal battle over the state's congressional maps isn't over just yet.
We deserve fair representation, and we will continue to fight until the last breath.
The state and the plaintiffs were back in federal court Friday for a lengthy hearing over which congressional map should be used in Alabama.
We want to make sure that Alabamians are able to have an election under the map that they wanted in 2023.
During the hearing, the three-judge panel appeared to press the state on its argument that a recent Supreme Court action in a Louisiana redistricting case changes what should happen here in Alabama.
That's what made the argument so confusing from the state today, to feel like coming back to the 2023 map was not confusing to the people. That blew me out of court today.
A major question in court was whether the Louisiana case has any real impact on Alabama's map fight. The state argues it does, but the plaintiffs argue it does not. 3 years ago, the panel ruled Alabama's previous congressional map violated federal law. A new map was later put in place that created a second opportunity district.
There's a clear discrepancy on what the plaintiffs and what the defendants feel is the outcome of the Calais decision and also the court's vacatur of the order. We're still arguing for the state's authority in this matter.
No matter how the panel rules, both sides expect this case could end up back before the Supreme Court.
It wasn't a predominantly black map. It wasn't predominantly white. It was two opportunity districts. And we feel that if there's an opportunity, we can win.
But time is ticking. With election deadlines quickly approaching, if the court decides the maps need to change, election officials could only have days to reassign voters to the correct districts, which could make voting even more confusing.
Timing's certainly been a concern since the Calais order came out. We've known that. I think the state has taken steps, as we talked about today with our expert witness. The state has been, taking steps to get ready for a change, and we feel like we can pull it off if the court will let us.
Now, again, this case is headed back to the Supreme Court, and that is no matter what this court behind me says likely. Now, again, this is all happening on the same day as the qualifying time for this special primary election in August, so the outcome of these midterm elections is still unclear. Live here in Birmingham, Aaron Llewellyn, WVTM 13.